Okay guys, we have another way, and our last way, to solve systems. We have done equal values method, where we set each equation to the same variable, and we did substitution when one equation was set to a single variable and the other one wasn't, and you plug that equation in for that given variable. So today we're going to discuss elimination method. Sometimes they call it a combination method. And it's best to work with when both are in standard form. So we'll do two examples this morning. So if we have one, that would be 3x plus y equals 5, and 5x minus 4y equals negative 3. So both are in standard form. So both are x plus or minus y plus a number. So now what we're looking to do is multiply one of these by a certain number, which will allow us then to eliminate one of the variables. Here we go. If I multiply this top equation all by 4, guess what it looks like? It'll look like 12x plus 4y equals 20. And my bottom one is still 5x minus 4y equals negative 3. So here I have opposites. I have a positive y, positive 4y, and a negative 4y. So I can eliminate those, and I do that by adding. So now I add, and I have 17x equals, because that is 0, positive 4y, negative 4y, equals 17. And I divide each side by 17, and my x value is 1. Then I plug that back into one of the equations. So I'll plug that back into, let's say, the original one. So 3 times 1 plus y equals 5. 3 plus what equals 5. Y equals 2. So our solution for this one would be 1, 2. Okay, I'll take a look at that for a second. You can take a picture or screenshot it, and we'll do one more. Okay, once again, the key is multiplying it by something that will allow us to eliminate it, or when we add it, it makes 0. Most kids, and I find this the easiest one to do, it's less work, if you could visually see what to multiply by. We'll do another one here. We have 2x minus 3y equals negative 1. And we have negative x plus y equals also negative 1. So nothing is opposites already. So 2 and negative 1 aren't opposites, and negative 3 and y1 is not opposites. So right away I see if I multiply this by 2, I would create a negative 2 there. I also could multiply it by 3, because it would give me a positive 3y there, which will eliminate. So sometimes there's multiple ways to do this. So we'll start with just 2. So if I multiply all this by 2, I'll keep the original one up here. 2x minus 3y equals negative 1. And now I have negative 2x, so I have my opposites, plus 2y equals negative 2. Sometimes kids and students and everybody else forgets to multiply this number out here by the value over there. So these cancel out because they're 0. I get negative 1y equals negative 3 because I'm adding. And I divide by a negative, so y equals 3. And I plug it back in. I visually see this as the easiest one, so I'll go negative x plus 3, because that's my y, equals negative 1. Negative x equals negative 4. Divide by the negative. X equals 4. So my solution would be 4, 3. Once again, this is called the elimination method or the combination method. I'll have homework on the Canvas page as well. Have a fantastic day.